Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a very easy and beautiful Ugadi Kolam design for 2026. If you are beginner or looking for a quick festival Rangoli, the design is perfect for you. With simple steps and bright colors, you can create a stunning happy Ugadi Kolam right at your home. Ugadi is a festival of new beginnings, happiness, and positivity. So, let's celebrate the making this beautiful kolam design together. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy craft and rangoli ideas. Let's get started.
First, clean the surface properly so the column looks neat. Now take the white rangoli powder and draw a medium sized circle in the center. Try to make it as round as possible. You can use a plate as a guide if you needed. Next, draw petal shapes all around the circle using white powder. Drawing a column at the entrance of our home brings positive energy and good luck. In today's design, we are going to create a colorful floral column with Happy Ugadi written in the center, along with traditional mango motifs. Next, draw petal shapes all around the circle using white powder. Rangoli is a traditional Indian folk art where decorative patterns are created on floors or entrance using materials like colored rice, sand, flower petals, or flowers, often made by women during festivals like Diwali, Onam, Pongal, and Ugadi. It is believed to bring good luck, prosperity, and it serves as a warm welcome to guests and deities. Now fill the circle with a bright pink color evenly, especially Goddess Lakshmi, while traditional beliefs hold that it repels evil forces. Common materials include dry flour, rice powder, rangoli powder, colors, sand, and flower petals. Designs are often symmetrical, featuring geometrical shapes. Inside the circle, gently write Happy Ugadi using white powder. Take your time and write slowly so the letters look neat and clear. This will be the main focus of our column. Regional names known as Kolam in Tamil Nadu, Alpana in West Bengal, muggulu in Andhra Pradesh, Mandana in Rajasthan, and Satya in Gujarat. The art from the passed down through generations and is considered a vibrant symbol of Hindu culture and community celebrations. Now let's move the outer decoration. Draw a small leaf patterns around the flower using white powder. Fill them with green color and add simple vein details. After completing the leaves, now we will add beautiful mango shapes around the design. Draw mango shapes motifs between the leaves using white powder. Make sure they are evenly spaced. Fill the mango shapes with green color. Once done, fill those petals with a blue color. This design is perfect for beginners and looks very festive and elegant. Ugadi is a festival of new beginnings, happiness, and positivity. Draw a column at the entrance of our home. Bring positive energy and good luck. I will share the links for all the materials like rangoli powder, rangoli colors below. If you are purchased using these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support my channel and let's me create more videos like this. Now add small yellow strokes inside each petal to enhance the look. Thank you so much for your support. All the materials links are in description. You can easily find everything I used from the links below. Best quality products I personally use are linked below. Fill them with green color and add simple vein details. My channel is all about my favorite art and craft. This is my creative craft, DIY, wall decor, home decor, paper craft, best out of waste, woolen craft, Diwali decorations, Ugadi decorations, Christmas decorations, Ramjan decorations, Father's Day gift ideas, Mother's Day gift ideas, Raksha Bandhan gift ideas, Teachers Day gift ideas, Eid Mubarak craft ideas, wall hanging craft ideas, paper flowers, Children's Day craft, flower vase making ideas. Fill the mango shapes with green color to match the festive theme. These mango designs give a very traditional Ugadi look to the kolam. Now go over all outlines again with white powder to make the theme bold and neat. Add small details wherever needed to make the design clean and attractive. And here is our beautiful Ugadi Kolam with mango designs. This looks very colorful, traditional and perfect for welcoming the new year. I would like to share my passion with all of you using this YouTube channel. Let's build a beautiful world together. A new video will be published every Thursday 6 pm and every Sunday 6 pm. Rangoli is an art from that originates from the Indian subcontinent, in which patterns are created on the floor or tabletop using materials such as powder limestone, red arch, dry rice flour, colored sand. I hope you enjoy this Ugadi Kolam design. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment below what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. Happy Ugadi to you and your family. Over time, imagination and innovative ideas, designs are passed from one generation to the next.
So this is our final Ugadi Kolam design. I hope you enjoyed watching found it easy to follow. If you like this design, please give this video big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also let me know in the comments what kind of kolam or craft video you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new notifications so you never miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Ugadi to you and your family.